In this video, we're going to delve into understanding your Retable account settings, a crucial aspect that enhances your user experience and personalizes your interaction with the platform. Upon clicking on your profile located at the top right corner, you're brought to your account settings. This area allows you to personalize your profile, enabling you to upload a photo, input your first and last name, and confirm your email address. One of the critical functions here is the option to delete your account, a permanent action that once confirmed cannot be reversed, so it's essential to be certain before proceeding. For added security and personalization, you can change your password, ensuring your account remains secure and accessible only to you. The Organization section provides your current organizational settings, allowing you to manage or review your organizational data. Under the Audit Logs section, you'll find details regarding your current login methods, offering insights and control over how you access your account. Here, you can see a log of all the transactions made in your account. You can think of it as history. For example, if you've deleted, added, or updated a workspace, project, table, or view, you can see the log of your actions or when the last time you logged in or out of your account. Creating an API key is straightforward from this section, enabling you to connect your Retable data with other applications, enhancing automation and data flow. The Settings tab offers customization of your account preferences. Change the date format to suit your regional or personal preference. Set the week to start on either Monday or Sunday, aligning with your scheduling needs. Choose your digit separator to streamline how you view numbers. Edit your currency symbol, tailoring your account to reflect the currency you work with most frequently. Adjust the placement of the currency symbol and percent symbol, ensuring clarity and precision in your financial and percentage data. These adjustments will reflect across your Retable account, influencing how data is displayed and interacted within your spreadsheets and across the platform, ensuring a coherent and customized user experience tailored to your preferences.